Hello, Witchfolk. Welcome to our coven. We are angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline, and we're here to have fun with makeup and sometimes a bit of witchcraft. Which, if you're interested in, check out our Midnight Margarita episodes where we drink margaritas, chat about witchy things. Now today, what are we doing?
Well, today we're going to dip into the waiting room palette from Melt, from the Beetlejuice collection, as you know. There's reds and grays. Now, when you look at this palette, you wonder what's going on. Like, these grays look alike, and some of these reds look alike. So yeah. We'll see. We'll let you know what we think. But last time, we did the recently deceased palette, and we had a lot of fun with these colors. The green and the pinks and purples. So yeah, let's see what we can do with this one, and hopefully we look as beautiful as we did with the other one.
I'm excited for this. Like, the gray and red isn't something I would normally put together, so I'm curious. I don't really have a plan.
And it has a black.
And it has a black. She loves a black.
Yeah, nobody loves black more than me.
No palette's complete without a black.
So yeah, let's get started.
I don't even know.
I'm gonna go gray first.
Yeah, that was my thought.
Okay, we can do the same thing. It's fine.
Well, I was thinking of kind of gray to feather out into like richer red on the outside. This is.
Oh, okay. I was thinking the other way around.
Oh, okay. Perfect. We'll reverse it. So we're both going into Shrunken Head. Oh my gosh. I guess all these are related to the waiting room, maybe. Shrunken Head, Charman, Sod Girl. Oh.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is a very nice gray.
It's hard to get grays.
I know. Yeah, it is. And that's why I'm already knowing I like it.
Yeah, and I'm glad I just dug into the deeper shade.
Tombstone.
Yeah, and it's a slightly different, definitely darker. Yes. I tried the pink before. I'm not gonna lie.
Sod Girl?
Yeah.
I'm gonna avoid that pinky purple because I feel like I do those all the time.
Okay, I'm dipping into Dante's Inferno, the deep red, with a little bit of, what is it?
Shimmer!
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my God. It's stunning.
And I'm going in with Obituary.
Wow.
Oh, she has things to say?
This is insane. I think
pretty.
It's insane. Oh my God. Which one did you go? Obituary?
Obituary. I'm just trying to pack the color on first before doing too much of a blend.
Yeah, I did not know this would be so beautiful. Like in person. I don't know what it looks like on camera. But it's like so intense.
You gonna tell the people what happened when you first opened your palette?
Well, I ordered it from Sephora. And I've never had a problem before, but yeah, it burst open. All the shadows, like not all of the shadows, but most of the shimmery ones were wrecked. It was just like opening up one of those birthday cards that people put sparkles in, and I was guilty of that in my youth.
Putting sparkles in?
Oh, I used to always do that. I didn't realize how loathsome it was.
I've never done that. Must have been such a disappointment.
Oh, I was so upset. But I called customer service right away, and they sent one.
Yeah. But I got the broken one.
So there's a couple of shade, like the shade I just used, the Dante's Inferno, was the one most wrecked. I'm using my finger and I'm dabbing into Lydia in the center.
So what I'm going to do today a little bit is really bring out the shadow And I'm gonna probably end up using more bronzer to integrate it into that sort of like lifty look. Very Jamie Genevieve, it's where I got it from. But I've been enjoying that vibe.
I feel I'm just doing a wearable look today.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
That's good.
A wearable, as they say, which means, I don't know what that means. Everything's wearable in my world, but you know what I mean. Don't you, Jelly Bean?
Oh, Jelly Bean.
You know what I mean, Jelly Bean. What is wearable? What is it? What does it mean?
I'm wearable.
You're wearable, yes. Oh, so cute.
I've only used 2 colors thus far.
Sometimes that's all you need. I'm going into the black, which is called
Charman.
Charm. Oh, yeah. I remember Charman in the movie.
I'm just gonna deepen right here. It's already quite deep. Just a little bit more with no exit.
Yeah, I'm just Charmaning around my eyes.
Charmaning.
Charmander.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, I made us.
Charmander.
Somebody should come out with a Pokemon palette.
I'm sure there must be a Pokemon
There's a Sailor
palette.
Moon with ColourPop.
Yeah.
And a Hello Kitty with
Which
color.
I can't believe you didn't buy, considering
know.
you have a Hello Kitty tattoo.
Don't tell the people.
You're not proud of her? She's a regret?
She's a regret because she's in a weird spot that changed over time.
That's okay.
It's fine. Oh, a lot of fallout here, and I need to clean up. I really want to go into that sparkly Juno. Yes. I think I'll do it inner corner.
I'm just starting to bring this shading like under my eye. And then I want to build back up that gray shrunken head.
And I want to go into Sandworm. It's the white shade. And just go on my brow. There's not enough blacks and whites in the world. I love it. Like, I only think I have it in that James Charles palette that you find disgusting.
I haven't even ever seen the palette. I'm just not a fan of his vibes.
Okay.
I don't know enough about him. I shouldn't judge. I just don't like the vibes.
I like the palette.
Okay, so well, that was pigmented. Wow. Okay. I meant for that to be subtle, but you know what? Let's just go with it. This is Obituary for this lower area.
My look is smoky grays with some... Oh, you look pretty. Yeah, just a little hint of red in the middle. Oh, I love it. I think I like this one better than the green. Which one do you like better?
I'm not finished yet.
Oh.
I'm not sure what to put in the middle. Whether I should go red like Lydia or Juno. Lydia. Lydia it is. That's another name I like. I feel like I'm always like, I like that name. I'm gonna use my fingers.
Okay. I'm adding a bit of the pink one. There's one pink one, and it's called Sod Girl.
Oh, I'm having blend troubles today. I don't know what's going on, people.
I have wrinkles.
I'm having bang troubles. Too. I'm embarrassed.
Why?
They're just doing their own thing. I'm just straightened down.
I have sleep wrinkles.
Sleep wrinkles?
Yeah. I never usually have too much crow feet, but today I do. Okay, I'm just gonna sing one last swoop.
This is dramatic. I wasn't trying to be so dramatic. I like these colors, but they are a little challenging.
Yeah, because melt is for pros. It's for those of you who are good at makeup.
Are you saying I'm not good
No,
at
I'm
makeup?
saying you are good. They're advanced. And their color story is strange.
That's what I meant.
In the best
color
of times.
Story. Yeah.
This one is it looks sort of like there's repeats, but there isn't really. And it's not like, oh, I can do something different every day.
I'm just putting Juno in the inner corner.
That's what I did, and it kind of disappears.
Oh, it's the most like flaky
of
the colors.
Yeah.
And pop in Lydia a bit more. Pop, pop, pop. I don't know. I might just blend this a little bit more, but you don't need to watch me blend forever. I just feel like the gradation isn't fabulous. But I'm going to do that technique I mentioned. Taking a bronzer. Boop, 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 boop. I'm just sort of like blending that up. I feel like this is one of those color stories that look really kind of messy until your mascara is on.
Yes.
Know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel like it's what we do every day. It's like I'm just itching to put my mascara on.
The whole time, like, oh God. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just start with this blend just a little bit more, and we're gonna do our mascara, yeah? And we'll be back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, see you soon.
Okay. Just sort of the blend a bit more, and I popped in this Sephora pencil that's like sort of ready in the waterline. Yeah, I didn't do my blush yet. I was waiting to see how the look turned out, so I'm just gonna pop that on quickly. What you been doing?
Just been drinking some wine.
While I sorted out my blend. Oh my God, my eyes are so watery though. Like sometimes that happens when I do like my mascara and stuff.
I am going to use a melt lipstick color called Dark Room.
And then I have a ColourPop brown liner that I've definitely used before. Called, I think it's BFF3, but it's like so worn. Oh, it matches the pinkiness of Soda.
And I got it all warbly. Okay. Endless Cacao to the rescue.
And then I'm going to put a reddy color kind of in the middle more. Oh.
What?
I don't know what's going on today.
What's happening?
I don't like anything.
What happened?
I'm choosing all the wrong colors and vibes. Freak. This is bad. This is not good.
Oh, can you change it?
I can change it. I think I'm going to have to find something a bit plummier.
It's okay.
This is too orange, you know? Nothing's going my way.
Oh, mine matches beautifully.
I know yours does. And then I looked over and I did mine and I was like, this is shit. Ugh.
Okay, go pop off. You're back.
Here, I'm going to try Griselda from Fenty.
If in doubt, use Fenty.
I know. You know what? It can't be your day every day. If there's anything we've learned. Yes, that's better.
So,
This is so patchy. This is terrible. I'm sorry.
What's patchy?
Look at this.
Why did you get it all patchy?
Because I guess my lips are dry.
It's okay.
And this is okay. You know what? It's fine. It's fine.
This is fine.
You talk.
Okay.
I'm gonna just.
Okay. So I'm gonna just say what I think of the palette.
Yes, do.
Okay. I think it's gorgeous. I really do. Guys, look at these colors here. Like, they're insane. You don't have anything like this in your collection. And I doubt you even have proper matte grays.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Fair enough.
Like, I'm still on the fence about these two grays. Like, maybe one of them should have been, well, this is a shimmery gray, but like, they're very, very similar.
Yeah. Okay, true.
So maybe, but whatever. I'm not mad at it.
I feel the same about these two shades here.
Yeah, because and they're both matte. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I was really excited. And here's the thing. I think it's a palette and a color story that you need to play around with and see which colors you like working together. It's pretty. I just find it went a bit more gothic for my general
I like
taste.
the goth.
I feel like literally, I don't know, I should be on MySpace or something.
I'm a goth girl at heart.
Oh, what's even happening here, guys?
So, okay, well, for me, it's a hit.
Yeah, I love your look. Oh my god, it looks so good.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Oh my god.
I like this palette. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, I'd love to play around with it some more for sure. Figure out the colors that I like best. Probably that what I was gonna avoid, because I'm like, oh, I use that color all the time. Sod Girl on your lid. She's the star of the show. She's the star.
Well, you have it. You have this palette, basically.
Oh yeah.
The crumbled version.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. You might be able to get some, like, deep in the dregs of the corners.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, that's it for today's look. Let us know how we did. Why don't you comment and maybe like it even if you didn't so much. But yeah, give us a like, give us a subscribe, hit the notification button so you can find out when our next video hits.
And Witchmas is coming up. 7 days. We're going to release a video 7 days in a row. Christmas to New Year's. Talk about maybe a little bit of witchy things in every single one. Do some makeup. Do our favorite palettes.
Yeah, we're going to do some of our favorites and dust off some that we forgot about in 2020.
2020.
Yes.
Thank God.
It was a blur of a year, wasn't it?
It really was. Oh my God. Well, that's it for today. We hope to see you next time. Bye,
Bye.
witches.